storm clouds gather. The dream of freedom soon clashed with the weight of empire. By late 1946, the Iranian army advanced north intent on crushing the young Kurdish republic. Villages were raided, homes burned, and families torn apart. In the mountains around Mehabade, the Peshmerga braced for war. Snow covered the ridges, both shield and trap. Qazi Muhammad stayed in the city, guiding his people with steady words, while Kaka Rashid urged unity even as his frail body weakened. At the heart of the struggle stood the young warrior, rifle in hand, his breath misting in the freezing air. At dawn, the first clash erupted. Gunfire shattered the valley's silence. Peshmerga took cover behind rocks, rifles cracking in rhythm. The enemy advanced in tight formations, their shouts carried by the wind. Bullets struck stone, sending snow and dust into the air. From ridge to ridge, Kurdish fighters moved like shadows, sliding down icy slopes and climbing rugged paths. The young warrior leapt from cover, firing into the advancing line, while comrades shouted encouragement. Smoke filled the canyon, and the air reeked of gunpowder. Steel clashed with steel, rifle butts with helmets, knives flashing in desperate hands. Cries of the wounded echoed through the mountains, yet the Kurds held their ground. Each shot, each sacrifice, was a promise to defend Mehabade. Though fragile, the Republic lived in their courage. As night fell, snowy peaks glowed faintly under the moon, stained with the memory of blood and resistance.